This right here is the brand new Apple Watch Series 8, and those are the best tips and tricks and features for it. So let's get right into it. First up, the offline music. This one is by far my favorite feature. Once you've downloaded Spotify or Apple Music and linked it to your account, you can instantly start downloading songs to your watch, so you can listen to them without having your phone nearby. Next up, the orientation, and that is something brand new to smartwatches, so you can actually decide if you want to wear your Apple Watch on the right wrist or on the left wrist. In your general settings, click on orientation and then choose on which wrist you want to wear your watch. And by the way, don't forget to change the side of the button as well. Another feature that a lot of you might like is that you can actually change the app layout. On default, you get the normal grid layout, but in the settings, look for app view, and right here you can change your app view to a list layout, which some of you might prefer. Number 4 for today is that you can actually share your watch faces and images that you have on your watch with your friends. For watch faces, long press your home screen and click on the box with the arrow. Now you can decide between an email or SMS, look for your contacts, and when you want to send it, you can add a little text to make it less awkward. For the images, it's almost the same. Look for your photo app, choose one of your pictures, click on the box with the arrow once again, and then send it over to some friends. By the way, you can turn your pictures into a watch face over here as well with just one simple click. Next up, your gesture controls. And for your money, you get a whole lot on the Apple Watch Series 8. In the accessibility tab, toggle on your assistive touch, and right here you get a whole bunch of gesture controls. Like if you pinch with your fingers, you will go forward. By double pinching it, you will go backwards. Clenching your fist is to select something, and double clenching opens up your actions menus. But you can freely swap these ones around. A small little cool feature is the focus mode. So whenever you activate the D&D mode, sleep mode, focus mode on your watch, you can mirror those settings over to your smartphone, and that also works vice versa. Now, one of the most useful features on your Apple Watch is the reply options to messages like WhatsApp or SMS. Not only can you type your own message, use one of the many quick reply options, but you can actually customize those answers over in the app as well. Plus, you can use the built-in mic and answer with a voice text. So you talk and the watch will write it for you. And that's great for us lazy bones. Now, talking about the voice assistant, this one right here is great. So you know Siri is a beast. You can set timers, start workouts or calls, do some simple calculations, and a lot more. You can also use Siri as a translator. So you can actually say, how do you translate watch in French? And Siri will do it for you. Now, 2 more small features. First up, the alarm. So you can actually set an alarm right on your watch, and the difference to your smartphone is that this one on your watch will gently wake you up with some vibrations. And the other one has to do with this text size of your watch. Over in your accessibility settings, look for text size, and right here you can make your letters smaller or bigger, since it does get pretty small on some watches. Alright, we're long from finished, but if you liked the video up until now, please make sure to leave a like right quick and subscribe to my channel for more daily reviews. It would really help me out a lot. Now, the thing that makes your watch unique is your watch faces. And the great thing over on your Apple Watch, we all know we get tons of watch faces over here, but we can also customize them. Like the style of it, we get a bunch of different colors for the numbers, and we can change the metrics. And depending on the watch face that you are on, you can also change the dial color. A lot of ways to make the Apple Watch 8 your Apple Watch 8. Now, in case you lose your smartphone or your iPad or your watch or whatever, now you can actually go on your watch and look for those devices as long as they're connected to your Apple account. Now over here, you can either start directions to get right to your watch, or you can make it ring to find it under the sheets. Up next, the control panel. By swiping down, you will get right to it, and by clicking on the edit button, all the way at the bottom, you can change the features on it. And as for last, you can take screenshots of your current watch face. Once you've toggled it on over in your general settings, you can press the 2 keys on the side of your watch at the same time to take a screenshot, which will be in your Photos app right after to share with your buddies. And guys, that's already it for today. I hope you learned a few new things. If you did, make sure to like the video, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. So, peace.